Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 8th October 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 20 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Indian Air Force celebrates its Raising Day every year on. Answer is 8th October. Every year on 8th October, India celebrates Indian Air Force Day. Indian Air Force was raised on 8 October 1932 and it is completing 92 years. The Air Force was officially raised as the supporting force of the Royal Air Force of the United Kingdom in 1932 and the first operational squadron was created in 1933. After India gained independence in 1947, the name Royal Indian Air Force was kept. Question number 2. World Dyslexia Day is observed every year on. Answer is 8th October. World Dyslexia Day, also known as World Dyslexia Awareness Day, is annually observed across the globe on 8th October to raise awareness about dyslexia. World Dyslexia Day was first observed on 8th October 2013. The Dyslexia Awareness Week is observed annually on the first full week of October, always starting on the first Monday. In 2024, it is observed from 7th to 13th October. Question number 3. India tops the medals tally in the ISSF Junior World Championship 2024 with. Answer is 24 medals. The 2024 ISSF Junior World Championships in Lima, Peru, take place from 27 September to 6 October 2024. Indian shooters topped the medal tally at the ISSF Junior World Championship 2024 with an impressive haul of 24 medals, 13 golds, 3 silvers, and 8 bronze medals. Italy took second place with 5 golds, 4 silvers, and 4 bronzes, while Norway came third with 4 golds and a total of 10 medals. Question number 4. What is the mascot of 2024 Women's Asian Champions Trophy? Answer is Gudiya. Recently, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar unveiled the logo and mascot for the Women's Asian Champions Trophy 2024, set to take place in Rajgir, Bihar, from 11th to 20th November 2024. The mascot for the Women's Asian Champions Trophy 2024 is Gudiya, a term of endearment in Bihar for young girls. Inspired by the house sparrow, an endangered species. The logo features Bodhi tree, symbolizing growth and resilience, tied to Bihar's spiritual heritage. Question number 5. The harbour phase of the Malabar 2024 exercise has been organized in. Answer is Vishakhapatnam. India has organized the Malabar 2024 exercise from 8th to 18th October, beginning with the harbour phase in Vishakhapatnam, followed by the sea phase. Hosted by India, this year see participation from Australia, Japan, and the United States. The Malabar exercise began in 1992 as a bilateral naval drill between the US and Indian Navy. Question number 6. Victor Ambrose and Gary Ruvkun awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Medicine for. Answer is Discovery of microRNA. Victor Ambrose and Gary Ruvkun were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine on 7th October 2024 for the discovery of microRNA. Last year, in 2023, the prize went to Hungarian-American Katalin Karikó and American Drew Weissman for their groundbreaking discoveries that enabled the development of mRNA vaccines against COVID-19, which played a crucial role in combating the pandemic. Question number 7. Vera Voronova, from which country, has been awarded the Midori Prize for Biodiversity 2024? Answer is Kazakhstan. The Midori Prize for Biodiversity 2024 has been awarded to Vera Voronova from Kazakhstan and Yabel Agustina Calderon Carlos from Peru. The prize awarded every 2 years by the Aeon Environmental Foundation and the Secretariat of the Convention on Biological Diversity includes a $100,000 cash prize and a commemorative plaque. Vera Voronova has led efforts to restore ecosystems and protect endangered species in Central Asia, benefiting rural communities. Question number 8. Who has launched the Green Meghalaya Plus scheme? Answer is Conrad K. Sangma. Conrad K. Sangma, Meghalaya Chief Minister, launched the Green, grassroots level response towards ecosystem enhancement and nurturing Meghalaya Plus scheme in the first week of October in the state. The main purpose for the launching of the scheme is for conservation and enhancement of forest cover. It aims to expand forest conservation by an additional 50,000 hectares. Question number 9. Who launched the logo, website, and app of the upcoming Mahakumbh Mela 2025? Answer is Yogi Adityanath. On 6 October 2024, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath launched the logo, website and app of Mahakumbh upcoming 2025 during Shardiya Navratri. This logo depicts Amrit Kalash, a symbol of religious and economic prosperity. Mahakumbh Mela, a religious festival that takes place every 12 years, is all set to take place from 14th January to 26th February 2025 in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 10. India recently agreed $400 million credit swap facility for which country? Answer is Maldives. On 7th October 2024, India has agreed to help Maldives manage its external debt by extending a $400 million credit swap facility. President of Maldives, Dr. Mohammad Muizzu, was on his first official bilateral visit to India from 6 to 10 October 2024. Question number 11. Deepa Kormakar announced her retirement belongs to which sport? Answer is gymnastic. Olympian and Commonwealth Games bronze medalist Deepa Karmakar has announced her retirement from gymnastics. Deepa Karmakar, nicknamed Small Wonder, is the first Indian female gymnast to compete in a Summer Olympics. She narrowly missed a medal at the vault event at the 2016 Rio Olympics. She also the first Indian woman to win a gymnastics medal at the Commonwealth Games. She won a bronze medal at the 2014 Glasgow Commonwealth Games. Question number 12. Where did the DRDO successfully tested the 4th generation VSH-RADS? Answer is Rajasthan. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, successfully tested the 4th generation Very Short Range Air Defense System VSH-RADS at Pokhran in Rajasthan on 3rd and 4th October 2024. VSH-RADS is a man-portable air defense system MNPADS, being developed for the Indian Army, Air Force, and Navy. It is a surface-to-air missile system with a range of up to 6 kilometers. Due to its weight of around 21 kilograms, the VSH-RADS missile can be launched through a tripod. Question number 13. Shigeru Ishiba has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? Answer is Japan. The Japanese Emperor, Naruhito, appointed Shigeru Ishiba as the new Prime Minister of Japan. The 67-year-old Shigeru Ishiba replaces Fumio Kishida, who was also from the same political party, the Liberal Democratic Party, LDP. The LDP has ruled Japan almost continuously since its formation in 1955. Question number 14. Which state government recently launched the Nijat Moina scheme for girl students? Answer is Assam. The Assam state government has recently launched a scholarship scheme, Nijat Moina, for girl students. Under this, monthly scholarship is being provided to girl students from class 11 to post-graduation. The first installment of 1,000 rupees for higher secondary, 1,250 rupees for degree, and 2,500 rupees for postgraduate students was distributed at a statewide program. Question number 15. Who has been appointed by the BCCI as the new chairman of its anti-corruption unit? Answer is Sharad Kumar. Retired IPS officer Sharad Kumar has been appointed as the new chief of the BCCI's anti-corruption unit. He takes over from KK Mishra, also a former Haryana cadre IPS officer. Hailing from Bareilly in Uttar Pradesh, Sharad Kumar was headed Anti-Terror Organization National Investigation Agency (NIA) for 4 years from 2013 to 2017. Question number 16. World Cerebral Palsy Day is observed every year on. Answer is 6th October. World Cerebral Palsy Day is observed every year on 6th October. It aims to raise awareness and advocate for the rights of individuals living with CP. The theme of the World Cerebral Palsy Day 2024 is Uniquely CP. Cerebral Palsy Day is a social movement and a day to celebrate and affirm the lives of the 17 million people living with cerebral palsy, CP. The project was launched in 2012 by Cerebral Palsy Alliance, Australia, and United Cerebral Palsy, USA. Question number 17. New species of potter wasp, Sumenes cyangensis, was discovered in which state? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Entomologists discovered a new species of potter wasp in Arunachal Pradesh, named Sumenes cyangensis. It belongs to the genus Sumenes within the subfamily Eumeninae and is mainly found in the oriental region. The species was found in the Upper Siang district and named after Siang Valley in Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 18. Which union minister has inaugurated the Definite Connect 4.0? Answer is Rajnath Singh. Definite Connect 4.0, a promising event which is aimed at boosting homegrown defense innovation, was inaugurated by the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on 7 October 2024. The event hosted at the Manekshaw Center in Delhi Cantonment. It is organized by the Innovations for Defense Excellence, Defense Innovation Organization, IDEXDIO, under the Ministry of Defence's Department of Defense Production. Question number 19. Adani Group has commissioned India's largest green hydrogen blending project in. Answer is Ahmedabad. Adani Group has initiated India's largest hydrogen blending project, starting with a 2.2 to 2.3% blend of green hydrogen in piped natural gas in Ahmedabad to reduce emissions and support net zero goals. The hydrogen is produced using renewable energy through electrolysis, splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen. The project will supply hydrogen-blended natural gas to households. Question number 20. Who is set to receive the Kishore Kumar Samman for 2023? Answer is Rajkumar Hirani. Rajkumar Hirani, renowned for films like Nunna Bhai MBBS and 3 Idiots, will receive the Kishore Kumar Samman for 2023 from the Madhya Pradesh government. The award ceremony is scheduled for 13th October, coinciding with Kishore Kumar's 37th death anniversary, and will take place in his hometown in Khandwa. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.